wouldn't reckon.
I picked up Andy today, so he'll be here for at least a few days while I am slightly less work-ish, but it is currently 11:27 at night on May 1st, and my video is not going out today. The first day of everyday May is not going out on time. So, I've been filming, as you can probably tell by my obnoxious lights and the fact that I don't know why I decided to put it in this direction. But, scissors, I went outside because I was hoping my little plants arrived, and he hasn't yet, but I think my new cookbook has. In other words, I got a package, and that's the only thing I should have on order. It's here! Yay! This is the Doctor's Kitchen cookbook by Dr. Ruby. I don't know how to say his last name. And he has a podcast. If you haven't listened to it, do it. It's really nice if you're into anything health food related. So, first flip. Ooh, this looks nice. Okay, yeah, I am really excited about this. I'm gonna have myself a good old read of this book tonight because I read cookbooks like a weirdo. We are turning left through a yellow light.
Yeah? Better than the carrots?
Oh my goodness.
The potatoing.
Oh god. Like, you have the camera on me and I'm like, no, I'm not gonna, but it's just that good. They're baby bananas. And like, they're so cute. I'm having a very good day. I have all the windows open, I have my plants sunbathing, and I tried on a skirt, which hasn't fit me since 2015, but I love it, so I never got rid of it, and it fits! Awkward dancing. Yeah.
Is it yummy?
No. It's also mostly melted. I just realized that I Instagram storied this catastrophe instead of vlogging it. Basically, little baby Hoya, who normally sits right here, came back in the room and she was on the floor with all of her dirt spilled out everywhere. And Andy was over at the scene of the crime. So then, put her back, got all safe, can't find a vacuum. Turns out, vacuum was sent to someone else's house. So I don't have a vacuum right now, unless there might be one in the basement, maybe. But I was on my computer, and all of a sudden I heard a whoop, and little Hoya was on the ground again. My poor little Hoya. So, little Hoya is now on my desk. Poor little girl. I'm glad I'm tall enough to do this now. Yeah. How many rooms have I painted? I've never been tall enough to reach that. Morning. You're spraying it everywhere. Hello everyone, it has been an eternity since I've spoken with you. Today is Monday the 21st of May, and my day's been really weird. Been working a lot, and then I've actually had quite a few days off, especially right now I'm on basically what I would consider to be my 4th day off. Yesterday I did work for a few hours, but I've gotten to that point of I've been working so much since January, about February was whenever I started really like pushing hard in work, that on my days off, I've just been recovering, which is really sad because there's other things I'd love to be doing, but for some reason I just haven't been able to do it. But, so today's my day off. I woke up bright and early at 5:30 because I had a 6:30 PT session, and it turns out that me mom's day was canceled, so all she has to do is teach class this morning, then she's done. So we are actually going to go to St. Louis today, which is really nice because I've actually been wanting to go recently because there's you getting out of focus. Maybe we should go this way. Hey. No. Why is mom's car not straight? What if I just come up here? Is there... Mom's car isn't like mine where I like have a little divot to put my camera in. This is really weird lighting. We're gonna go with it. So mom's day is canceled, so we're gonna go into St. Louis, and I've been really wanting to go recently because I need to get a new wallet, and there's just a few things that I just need to get. I don't want to order online because I don't really like ordering online. I like touching things and feeling them and talking myself out of them. So we're gonna go, and that's gonna be lovely because we haven't gotten to hang out for a while now. Oh no, oh no, oh no, they have so many. Mom and I have wound up in World Market, which is one of my favorite places, and it's a trap. Now, I don't normally shop at the cart, and after being in the store for about 5 minutes, Mom's like, I'm going to get a cart now, because look how many flower planters I found. And penguins. Have to have penguins. Come on. Come on, little Thorin. Come on, you got it. You got it. You're making it. Come on. Almost there. Almost there. Yay! Yay! You made it up the stairs. What do you think? What do you think? Just the choice? What about this one? What about this one? Oh, okay, never mind. Never mind. Pink grapefruit's the winner. And just like that, it is June. It's interesting to think now that I have been quantifying my life in terms of months, in terms of monthly videos, because as you guys have probably seen by the fact that I have no idea what footage I filmed in May. None at all. I don't even know how many days I got in May. It really shows what days get away from you. And this month, a lot has gotten away from me. I have done a lot. I've enjoyed myself, and in some parts, I've overworked myself. Of course, it's me. I've been present more, but also I felt lost. And I think that's what this month showed, is that sometimes you do lose time and you don't know how it happens. And since it is now June 1st, I can see that I lost a good chunk of May and I don't know where it went. So, gonna do better.